I received so many comments suggesting anime character. Seriously, a lot. And among the endless list of names, Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen is my pick for today's project. And bringing him to life with me today is the GK3 Ultra, the latest flagship resin 3D printer from Uniformation. When the shipment arrived from Uniformation, I unboxed it right away to set up and inspect the printer. What impressed me first was its massive 13.5-inch 16K screen with a pixel size of just 28-26 micrometer. Every complex detail, from muscle definition and outfit textures to Gojo iconic hair strength, is reproduced with exceptional sharpness. Besides the large build volume, which allows me to effortlessly print massive parts without over-slicing the file, this machine comes with a super convenient, quick-release vat mechanism, making resin swap and tank cleaning incredibly fast and easy. On top of that, the integrated automatic heating system keeps the resin temperature perfectly stable, completely eliminating delamination risk and print failure during cold weather. Also, Uniformation is currently running a summer sale with various discounts of up to $300 when you purchase through the link in the description. Make sure to complete your order before the sale ends. Those are my initial impressions of this machine. To get the most objective review, stick around till the end of this video to see how I create Gojo and put this GK3 Ultra to the test. Okay, let's go. Before we begin, every like, subscribe and bell icon tap mean the world to me and keep it going. By the way, all the gear I use like paint, airbrushes, brushes and more is linked in the description below. If you're looking to buy them, clicking those links is a great way to support the channel, as we earn a small commission to keep things running and create more high quality content for you. Thanks a lot and let's get started. First, I will print Gojo part using several different resin types as a real-world test for the GK3 Ultra. Let's see how this machine reproduces surfaces textures across each material. After a few days of printing, the results far exceeded my expectation. As you can see, the GK3 Ultra captures surface textures exceptionally well, from fabric width and skin to hair strength and muscle definition. It was fully comparable with every resin I tested, delivering remarkably consistent part quality, which is truly impressive for a machine with such a large build volume. This is definitely one of the most worthwhile investments for both beginner and professional maker. If you are interested in this printer, feel free to click the link in the description and use the discount code at the checkout to get the best deal on the GK3 Ultra. Now, let's do some surface prep to get ready for painting. Skipping past the grey priming stage, here's Gojo complete look with all the parts fully assembled. Let's start painting with the base. The main highlight here is the massive creepy eye embedded in the architecture ruins alongside raw skull. Watch how I bring this to life as realistically as possible. The base is done. Next up, I've been painting and finishing the outfit along with all the accompanying detail. Next, Gojo's skin tone will be painted. I'm going to pay extra attention at the muscle area, adding subtle blue veins running down his arm for a muscular and realistic look. His signature white hair and the fine details on his face will be recreated with the utmost precision. Finally, we have the clear resin, curse energy effect wrapping around the base. Three main colors, purple, red, and yellow, were blended seamlessly to create a smooth gradient while maintaining the transparency of the material. Everything is complete. Let's take a look at the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment, and if you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.